Did you know that 75% of people have a fear of public speaking? Well, then I guess you also have heard of the phrase, there's nothing to fear but fear itself. So if you want to knock the F out of fear and overcome your anxiety and nervousness around speaking in front of other folk, well, the Core Confidence Speaker mini course is for you. If you want to be able to think on your feet and communicate your thoughts clearly and crisply, then this course is for you. If you want to be able to tell stories and deliver your message to the point where you're gaining fans and maybe make people laugh, ha 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 ha, right? This course is for you. I'm Dennis R. Sumlin. I am a mindset coach and teacher and the head of Core Confidence Life Personal Development. Public speaking is an important skill for you to have, both personally and professionally, and I want you to have it. I have years of experience in improv acting, public speaking, and podcasting, and I want to share with you everything that I know. Well, this is an online class, but this is not some pre-recorded webinar. This is not some boring one-sided lecture with boring slides, right? Right? No, this is a interactive, co-creative experience where we get together and we learn and implement the skills of public speaking. Right? So you can take the day class or the evening class. And there's classes coming up very shortly. So to find out more information, you can go to coreconfidencelife.com/day if you want to take the day class, and coreconfidencelife.com/evening if you want to take the evening class. You know, I'm looking forward to speaking with you, growing with you, and knowing you. So knock the F out of fear, get over your anxiety, and deliver your message because you have something that someone else needs to hear. And I'm the one to help you do it. This course is for you. Right?